Hello and welcome back to Stearns Ford and to our channel. My name is Chris, and in today's video I'll be showcasing one of our 2020 Ford Mustang GTs in one of 2020's new colors, Grabber Line. This one comes with the dual racing stripes to help break up the brightness of the vehicle, and it also comes with our Performance Package 1, which has a few upgrades like the Brembo brakes, the 19x9 and 19x9.5 black painted aluminum wheels, as well as the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on a staggered setup. So we have 255 in the front and 275 in the rear, as well as a few upgrades to the rear axle ratios and the rear sway bar. Helps add control and stability to the overall performance of the vehicle, and it also comes with this performance wing. This V8 also comes standard with 460 horsepower, and that's paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic transmission. How about let's hop inside and check it out from the inside. Now this one comes with our 6-speed manual transmission, and like I said earlier, that 10-speed automatic transmission is also available. It even has the 55-year Mustang badge. How about we turn it on and listen to those beautiful exhaust notes. Alright, thank you for joining me in today's video. Again, my name is Chris. Hope to see you soon at Stearns Ford.